Hi everyone, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how to use braided cord correctly, as well as some tips. So how to burn the cord. I usually use the blue fire in the middle, like here. It's easier for me to control the temperature because I need to rub the cord into a needle. And then how to make the needle with the cord. There are two ways. You can do it like this. Okay, and then you cut the edge. It becomes a needle and you can thread in the beads. Or you can burn the cord and then rub it with your finger like this. And it becomes a needle, and then thread in the beads. Remember to twist the cord when you rub it. Otherwise, it will be too flat to thread in the bead. I'll show you. If you just do it like this, see what happens? The cord is too flat. It's larger than the hole, so you cannot thread in the bead. Okay? Be very cautious when you use the lighter. Another helpful tip for you guys, if you want the braided cord to be soft while using two cords for a bracelet or necklace, you can pick the center string from the cord like this. You choose the center one and then pull it out from the cord. This way, the cord will be softer. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. I'll see you soon. Bye.